Hi everyone! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhana Mama Hashim and I am your digital educator. In this rapidly changing world, artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is not just a future concept. It is also a powerful classroom partner. So today, I'm going to present the top 5 most preferred AI tools, the advantages and disadvantages, and how they help create innovative learning environment, also known as ILE. The first AI tool that I'll be talking about is Canva Magic Studio. The advantage is it allows teachers to turn a simple text prompt to full presentations or worksheets in just seconds, very fast. And then it is highly visual. You can find a lot of images and videos. Also, it is user friendly. That means it's easy for you to actually design or create your presentation on Canva. The two disadvantages of Canva Magic Studio is the designs can be a bit general, and also the best features are often behind the pro version. That means you have to subscribe and pay for it. However, lucky for teachers in Malaysia, it is free. So how does Canva Magic Studio supports ILE? This AI tool supports visual learners. That means teachers can create infographic to explain complex history timelines, and the lessons will become more memorable because students can actually look at the images and pictures and they can remember better. The second AI tool that I'll describe is QReport. The advantage is it generates interactive slides, for example, polls for you to vote for anything during the class, or word clouds and also open-ended questions. And the disadvantage is every student must have a device. That means it will be a bit difficult for students who can't afford to buy it. So how does this AI tool supports ILE? It supports active learning. That means students can use their own device to vote or draw their answers. A practical application is teachers use QReport for exit tickets to see if the class understand the day's goal. Next in line, we have Perplexity AI. The advantage of using Perplexity AI is it provides a real-time citations. That means it tells you exactly where it got the information. However, the disadvantage is students rely too much because they want quick answers. They don't want to read the whole article. So how does Perplexity AI supports ILE? It supports inquiry-based learning. Students use it to investigate complex topics, difficult ones like climate change impact in Malaysia. And then they get verified sources, the correct source, instantly, very fast. It teaches students how to fact check and find reliable data. Next, we have Mizu as the AI tool. The advantages of using Mizu is, firstly, teachers can create AI tutors that are safe and follow specific instructions. Secondly, it's GDPR and FERPA compliant. It means it is applicable to European countries and in the USA. It is safe for student privacy. The disadvantage of using Mizu is it takes a little more time for teachers to set up the specific instruction for the bot because it has to be specific. So how does Mizu support ILE? It supports personalized learning. Teacher can set up MizoBot to act as a historical figure, for example, Tunku Abdul Rahman. So this is an example. Students and then can interview the bot, ask questions to learn about independence, providing a unique one-on-one experience. So everyone will have different kind of experience. The last but not least AI tool is Gamma AI. The advantage of using Gamma AI is it has interactive web-like pages that makes it look professional, which is good for teachers' image. But the disadvantage is AI can sometimes make mistakes. So teachers must always proofread. Same like when we are using ChatGPT, you have to always check the facts. So how does Gamma AI support ILE? It supports flipped classrooms. That means teachers can actually generate, for example, a mini website about photosynthesis in just minutes and then share the link for students, and then they can go back home and explore the subject or the content before having the real class. The conclusion for today's topic is, all in all, the AI tools like Canva, QReport, Perplexity AI, Mizu, and Gamma AI have their own challenges. For example, privacy concerns, or accuracy, but they have a lot to offer, especially the opportunities. They help us save time, and then they create classrooms that are more interactive, interesting, personalized, and engaging. So, as digital educators, teachers, our goal is to use all these tools to empower our students for the future. These are the references that I use for this presentation. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye.